Guys, ask your friends to join. Let us see one of the lab program today. Okay, let me start. It could have been better if others have joined. Okay, good morning, guys. Guys, good morning, Kavya, Nital, Mohit, Manish Diyar, Kartikeyan, Hemant, Lavanya, Manoj. Had your breakfast, guys. Okay, let's not waste our time. Let's complete within 5 to 10 minutes this program. Guys, coming to the one more program, what we shall do, what we shall see today. First, let us go through the output, guys. First, let us start from the output only. Guys, this is the simplest of the program. Guys, see, this is the simplest of the lab program what we are having. So let me maximize the window. So let me give the rotation angle as 90. See here. So this is the original triangle what we had, and we are rotating that angle with respect to 90 degree. Let us see 45 degree. So see here, this is the original triangle what we had. This is the original triangle what we had. One is the original triangle, and we are rotating that one with respect to 45 degree. So let me see another case. Solpa, I need your interaction for today's lab because it's very easy. Let me give 20-degree angle. See here, this is the original triangle. I am rotating that with respect to 20-degree angle. So let me take one more example, 10 degree. See here, I am rotating the triangle with respect to 10 degrees. So let me make the minimum changes, whatever we know. So before going to that one, so let me get the answers from you people. First, guys, what I'm supposed to do? At least Manoj, Mansoor, Kavya, Monika, Kaif. First, what we should do here in this output? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Let me give 45 degree. First, what I should do, boss? First, what I should do? Respond ಮಾಡಿ just for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes respond ಮಾಡಿ. First, what I should do? Yes. First, what I should do, guys? What is the first step? I'm supposed to first what I'm supposed to do with respect to programming. Transformation. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ
30 minutes.
ಹೇಳಿ. First, first for me, first most step is I should create a triangle, right? This up, I should create this triangle, or I should create this triangle 10 degree tagondre. Let me take. So this is 45-degree rotation. So let me see 10-degree rotation first. So before I set the angle, first what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to create the original triangle, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? First I should create a triangle. Yes or no? Others, Kaif. Kavya, Monica. So, okay. How can I create a triangle using? Thank you, everyone. How can I create a triangle? By using. There are two methods to create a triangle, guys. So, listen here. There are two methods to create a triangle. First one is GL begin GL polygon. GL begin GL polygon. Using GL begin GL polygon, we can create a triangle. And what is the other method to create a triangle? What is the other method to create a triangle? A triangle is nothing but a closed loop, right? Can I use GL begin GL line loop to create a triangle? GL begin GL line loop.
Yes, sir.
Others, the easiest of the program. Actually, in the examination, out of these 5 programs, what we have discussed till now, you should not go for a change of program. What about others? How many ways I can create a polygon, right? A triangle is nothing but a polygon. I can create a polygon using the lines of code GL begin GL polygon, or can I create even GL begin GL line loop? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can create a polygon using GL begin GL polygon. It may be triangle, or it may be square, or it may be anything, guys. It may be anything. So I can create a polygon using the lines GL begin GL line loop, or even GL begin GL polygon. Using any of the methods, I can create a polygon. No issues with that one. Okay, guys, now using any of the two methods, GL begin GL polygon or GL begin GL line loop, I have created a polygon. Next, I need to rotate it. In how many ways I can rotate? In how many ways I can rotate? A clockwise or anti-clockwise? Okay. Boss, I have a triangle. I can rotate the triangle based on what? Is there only one method or more than one method? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ think ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, guys, I can rotate the triangle with respect to an angle. Okay, I can create a triangle, or I can rotate a polygon, or I can rotate a line based on the angle. What is the other method? What is the other method? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ think ಮಾಡಿ please. Rotate along XYZ axis. Kaif, think about this one. I can rotate the entire triangle based on some angle, in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Is there any other way so that I can take that and I can rotate? See, here in the triangle, there will be 3 vertices if I am correct. In a square, there will be 4 vertices if I am correct. Can I take one rotation point and rotate that point in such a way that the entire polygon is going to rotate. One type of rotation is here. If this is the line, guys, if this is a line, if this is my palm, what I can do is I can rotate that one based on some angle, 45 degree or 90 degree or somewhere I can rotate. Or else what I can do is, can I take some position on this palm and based on that can I rotate? Are the two cases applicable? First of all, rotation with respect to a particular angle and rotation with respect to a particular reference point. Can I do using both the methods?
Yes, sir.
Others, others, girls, someone respond, Madima. So see here, first in this program, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to create a triangle. That triangle can be done using two methods. First one is GL begin GL polygon and GL begin GL line loop. After creating a triangle, what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to use or I'm supposed to take some point or a vertex and I'm supposed to rotate that one. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you people understood these three things? First one is I need to create a triangle. First one is I need to create a triangle. Second one is I can create a triangle based on the lines GL line loop and GL begin GL polygon. Third one is I should rotate. I can rotate the polygon based on the angle or based on the some reference point in the plane. Okay, so let us see the code for this one. Hey, what is the rotation formula? Come on, guys, what is the rotation formula? What is the rotation formula in 2D or 3D? You have seen that matrix, right? Something like cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. Yes, girls. Monica, Kavya. What is the rotation formula you have? X dash is equal to and y dash is equal to. Go through this one. Is this the rotation formula? Minus x into cos theta plus y into sin theta minus x into sin theta minus y into cos theta. Or else this is your rotation. Cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Guys, go through this one. 2D rotation. So we have this one minus x into cos theta plus y into sin theta minus x into sin theta minus y into cos theta. So let us see the program. So let's do reverse engineering. Here only I will explain, guys. This is not clear. So first what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to create a triangle using this one. Void draw triangle, GL begin GL line loop, and I'm supposed to adjoin the vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, and 1, 2. First what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to draw a triangle, and next what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to redraw the triangle. You just concentrate on this piece of code. GL begin, GL line loop, and we are going to redraw that one. So here I have given RGB, this bit as 0, right? 1. So if I give this bit as 0 and this bit as 1, for me the triangle will be in different color. See here, the triangle color has been changed. In the mini project, if you do these things, it is more than enough, guys. See here, one triangle I got in red color, the other triangle I got in blue color. Because I have set this bit as 1 and I have set this bit as blue. First what I am going to do is I am going to draw a triangle, next I am going to rotate the triangle. Go through this one, guys, for a minute or two. I can use GL begin GL polygon also here. Let's go through this one. Guys, we are starting the examinations for the first year people. They had some subjects pending. So I think this month 27th. 27th or 21st ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. They are having the exams offline. So followed by 8th sem exams will be there. And next followed by your semester exams. Okay. Prepare well, guys. After void, draw triangle and void rotate triangle. Next we have enter the angle of rotation, window size, window position, create window triangle rotation, and these things. One second. I'll give you one more 2 minutes time each. Now the time is 11:27. Till 11:30, you people go through these two functions, and once again we shall see the main function.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, man.
What about the top part of the program, sir?
ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮನೋಜ್.
Okay, sir.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Sir, you explained the entire program once, sir. The coding
Sure,
part.
man. Sure.
Because we know only the function part, sir. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Sure. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Sure.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬರೋ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬರೋ ಥರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್
First here we are creating the object here. So we have seen how to draw the triangle and how to redraw the triangle. So let us see how to rotate it. So we have this formula, guys, for rotation. The same formula we are going to use. So these are the pixel positions what we are going to give. So guys, these are the pixel positions. On the x-axis, the first see here. Here first what we are going to do is we are going to give the pixel positions of this red color triangle. What is the value of x? What is the value of y? What is the value of z at this position? 45 degree. First, this red triangle, red color triangle. First, we are going to give the pixel positions of this vertex, and this vertex. So totally we are having three vertices, guys. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to give the pixel positions of these three vertices. First, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to give the pixel positions of these three vertices. Okay. Go through this one. How many vertices we need first of all? Hello. Yes, ma'am. First, what we need is we need three vertices, guys. So we need three vertices. First, we need three vertices to build a triangle. So you are using this function. We are writing this code. So initially rotate matrix will be 0. Now just we are, see here guys, in this step we are just building the triangle. We are not rotating. Don't get confused. See here, in this GL float, GL triangle. So what we are doing is we are just building the triangle. We are not rotating it. So rotating matrix will be empty and the result will be empty. And the result will be empty. And here guys, I have taken the value of GL float, arbitrary value of x is 100, GL float arbitrary y is 100. For how I got 100? Any idea about can you guess? First you people go through this one. First here, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to give theta. There is a value of theta we are supposed to give. And next what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to build the triangle.
Sir, zoom
ma'am.
a little. Zoom it, sir. Zoom the screen, sir, little.
Where is the option? Is there any option for zooming here?
Control plus.
Control?
Plus.
No, it's not working.
Control plus scroll.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ main.cpp ಮೇಲೆ.
No man, it's not working. Guys, here if you see this piece of code, you should understand these three things. First one is the pixel values of the triangle. So next, before rotating, the initial values will be 0, 0, 0 and the result will be 0, 0, 0. Can you people guess what is this GL float arbitrary x is equal to 100.0 and GL float arbitrary y is equal to 100.0? You go through this one. Guys, here this GL float arbitrary value of x, because I am rotating the triangle not with respect to angle, guys. Now what I am taking is I am taking the arbitrary values of x and y of one vertex and I am rotating that one. Means I am taking the value of x see here what I am doing is I am taking this one arbitrary value of this position. So this is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 100, y is equal to 100 and z is equal to 0. I am taking this arbitrary position. This position is a nodi. I am not taking the triangle wall, guys. What I am doing is I am taking the arbitrary position. That is this position I am taking. Can you people see the difference? So here this position is x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 100 on the screen. I am taking this position value and I am rotating that one. Red color triangle is the original one. So for this red color triangle, this position is x is equal to 0, 100 and y is equal to 0, 100 and z is equal to 0. And I am rotating based on that one. Go through these two screens, both the screens. GL float arbitrary x is equal to 100.0, GL float arbitrary y is equal to 100.0 means I am taking this values of x and y here.
Sir, the GL float first line ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ sir, 100, 150, 200.
ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕಣ. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 100, 150, 200.0. That is the pixel values of the first vertex. ಈ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದು. ಈ ಒಂದು as it is in 3D, we should give the value of x, we should give the value of y, and we should give the value of z. So that values are this one. On the x-axis it is 100, 0. On the y-axis it is 150, 0. And on the z-axis it is 200, 0. That pixel values are independent. The one who asked the doubt. So they are not fixed, guys. Every device has its own pixel values. Every device will be having its own pixel values. Nin other pixel values na ninna screen al kotra you will get different values. Okay, it's not same. Based on the values of your device you should give. If you want, you can check. Is anyone using laptop now? Is anyone using laptop? Manoj or Kaif or Kavya, Mahima? That is the pixel values of one vertex. So 100, 150, see here. Idu bide. If you see here also, guys, see here idi onde nimisha. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರನಪ್ಪ. If you take the cube also. See here, these are the pixel values of one vertex. -1, 0, 1, 0. For a cube, how many vertices we need? You need 8 vertices, right? So these are the pixel values of each one vertex, the one flower bracket. Like that, here also what you are supposed to do is you are supposed to give the pixel values of each vertex.
Those are x, y, z coordinates, no sir?
So this is x, this is y, and this is z. Hey, 3D under it will be x, y, z, right? So 2D means it will be only x, y. 3D means it will be x, y, z. So you are supposed to give both all the three values. One value for x, one value for y, and one value for z.
It's only for one triangle, sir.
One triangle. We are creating only one triangle. We are creating one triangle and we are rotating that one. Same thing. You'll note a dimension change agilappa triangle though. Hey, red triangle is the one what we are creating. Red triangle is the one what we have created, and this blue one is the one which has been rotated from the existing one. See here, let me change the rotation angle. So 10 degree the same triangle we are rotating. See here, we are not creating one more triangle, guys. We are rotating the same triangle with respect to an arbitrary axis. So this is the arbitrary axis what we are taking. We are taking this arbitrary value we are taking for this vertex, and we are rotating the same thing. Here the arbitrary value what we have taken is x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 100 we have taken. Okay. The red triangle is the one we are creating. The blue triangle is the one which we are rotating from the existing one. So here we are taking this formula, guys. We are using the same formula here. Minus x cos theta plus y sin theta, and minus x sin theta minus y cos theta. We are using the same formula here. See here. Minus what rotate function? We are taking minus m is equal to minus x cos theta plus y sin theta. See here, we are using the same formula here. So here it is minus x cos theta plus y sin theta, minus x sin theta minus y cos theta. The same formulas we are using here. M is equal to and n is equal to. And we are going to store all the values in the form of a matrix. Yes, here m values we are going to store in the matrix 0, 0 and 0, 1, and we are going to store the values of n in 1, 0 and 1, 1. Yes, guys, go through this program. I will share this one in the WhatsApp group right now.
Sir, CG question papers are not there, sir, in question
Teams,
bank.
teams, Allah.
In Yes, sir. Instead of that, C programming, it's there, sir.
Sorry guys, I will go through that one. Wait pa, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. CG question papers, see here, even I will do the same thing. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Just let us spend not more than 11:53. 12 o'clock ವರೆಗೂ spare your time and be in the meeting itself. Guys, sorry, actually 2017 scheme we don't have any question papers.
No, sir.
2017 we don't have any question paper. We should go through the 2015 only question papers. So computer science 6 sem. You don't go through computer graphics and visualization. Don't go through 2010 scheme, guys. Go through 2015 scheme, guys. That's it. See here, I have downloaded. Even you people can do the same thing. Go to Saram College website and I will attach it now only. Actually, for 2015 it was 2017 scheme means you are seniors, guys. Those who are exactly in 8th sem right now. Those who are exactly in 8th sem, they are the ones who attended 17 scheme. For them, exams did not happen. Actually, I downloaded it long before only. Okay. Copy. Just let us go through some of the question papers, guys. Question papers. Actually, long before only I had downloaded that one, and I think one or two students I had shared that one also. If not done, okay, let's do it now.
ಏನಂದ
Guys, if you ask me any suggestion, I will suggest you people first go through the first module, second module, third module, and the fifth module is very easy compared to these three modules. Compared to three modules, the one module, second module, third module, what you have taken up for the internals, if you keep that aside, the fifth module is the easiest one. Fifth module is the easiest one, guys. At least those people are active. Just reply I. Let me see how many people are there. At least if I am able to communicate. Mansoor, Mohammed, guys. Nawaz. Guys, just communicate with your friends. The first three modules, Mahima, Goodma. The first three modules are very easy that you people have taken up for the internals. Here and there, you people will be having some idea about that one. But compared to the fourth module, I suggest fifth module, guys. Because fifth module, everything is theory. The logical input devices, output devices, everything is there. That's very damn easy. Okay. Just sir, discuss module wise questions in next class. What I am planning is Mansoor Ahmad. What I am planning is the first module, second module, third module. I'll be completing this fifth module by next week mid, because today is Tuesday. by this weekend or next week starting, easily I can complete this fifth module. What I'm planning is, anyhow 3 days I am going to the college right now. 3 days I am going to the college, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. From 2 weeks I had gone. Even this week I need to go. So what I'm planning was, so in the college no disturbance will be there, and moreover I'll be a little bit free. So what I'm planning was, I don't engage the class for you people in MS Teams. Manoj or Kavya, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ respond ಮಾಡಿ, at least let's have a conclusion about this one. Guys, what I was planning was from next Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So some 2 weeks, 3 days a week. So what I was planning was, let you people don't join the class. Let you people not join the class, or else if you join, no interaction will be there. No interaction with mean you and me people. It will be there. Just it will be one-way traffic. DD algorithm. I will start and I will complete, and even I won't ask any doubts. You people you just listen, and let the video be having a better quality, guys, so that those people who have missed that one, let them have a better understanding. Is it okay idea? Is that idea okay? If you want, you attend the class, no doubt, no issues for me. But no interaction will be there. No interaction for the
Okay,
three
sir.
modules. First, let me complete the three modules, and later take up the fourth and fifth module. Let me complete the first three modules first. 1, 2, 3. Next 5. Next 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. I will send the link to you people. I will share the link to you people. Module wise, first module, second module, third module, fifth module, and fourth module. I will share the link to you people. You attend the class. Just it will be like, okay guys, good morning. Today we shall discuss these two topics or these three topics. And you people just listen. No interaction will be there. Understood? Reply A, reply B, reply clear. No more discussions. Just it will be one-way traffic, and let the recordings be happening. Is this a good idea? Will it be a better one?
Yes, sir.
Girls, at least for the people who have missed the classes, I think hardly some 15 topics are there in the three modules. 15, 20 topics it 20 topics are there. If I do two topics one day also, in one day if I do 2 or 3 topics, I can easily complete within 2 weeks, guys. Within your third internals, I can complete. That's my responsibility. I will do that one for you people. What do you feel? I will share the link as usual, especially the classes from. Okay, let's start with this week only, guys. Yes, respond everyone. Everyone just respond I. Mansoor, Mohammed Kaif, Manoj. Hey, why to waste the time? Basham, good man. Mahima, where are you? Again, girls card and the response ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay, Mahima, you communicate with your friends, ma. Like, what I'm planning is starting from this Thursday only. So every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Every Thursday and Friday and Saturday from this week. From this week only. So let's have the revision of the topics, module wise. So do it, sir. So Monday, lab also. Lab we shall keep. I will give one slot, man. So what I was thinking was let you people come down to the college at least for a week. Okay, let me see how the things goes on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. See, guys, what I had planned was from next week, let me do Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday the portion. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, no interaction between you and me. The class is going to happen. The class is going to start according to the timetable from 9 to 9:50 or 10 to 10:40 or any time. The class is going to start. No interaction. I myself, I'll be just going through the topics. So the video will be there for you for your reference. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, by even if I complete tomorrow and next 3 classes, the 5th module is going to complete by next mid week. Next week mid I can complete this topic. So guys, from this sorry now from this Thursday, Friday and Saturday it will be revision, guys. No interaction with you and me people. If we have any interaction, let it be from Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday classes. As I'll be working from home, let's have the interactive classes from Monday to Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, let's have the recording classes for the benefit of the students who have missed the classes. And guys, lab also, guys, lab, it's not an iron tablet, what we have discussed till now. The 5 programs we have discussed, it may be tough as this is a new thing for you. First time it may be tough, guys, but once you go through that one, once you make it a practice, go through the program, guys. Share lab manual. I will attach my now only. Lab manual. First week of August, this one, Basham. First week, Pakka. Don't worry, get ready. Sir, when will we have offline lab, sir? Don't know, Pa, Basham. I am planning to have at least 2 or 3 days. At least 2 or 3 days, like I was planning. Sir, we have no options to skip programs. That is out of context, Ma Mahima. Like it should be between our understanding. It should not be in a recorded manner. These things should be discussed in the other platform. Hope you understood. Mahima. I think for you people, CN, I was examiner, right? For most of you people. I know how it happened. Okay. At least, Nodrapa, with respect to CG, I don't see any difficulty for you people to prepare these 5 programs. It won't take time also. Simple programs are there. It won't take time, guys. And assignments also, I will give 2 more assignments, not exceeding 3 questions. Three questions each. Understood? I will give 1 more quiz and 2 more assignments. 2 more assignments. Those 2 assignments combined 6 questions. I don't want to burden you people. Is this deal okay?
Yes, sir.
sir.
2 more assignments. 1 assignment I will share now itself. So totally it will be 4 quiz and 4 assignments. It will be 4 quiz and 4 assignments. Rest 2 more assignments, guys. It won't cross 6 questions. It will be 3 and 3. It will be 3 and 3. That's the maximum favor I can do you people at the end of this semester. I don't want to burden you people. Okay. Guys, I don't want you people to end up between 35 to 50, guys. I'm not expecting you people to end up between 35 to 50 in the examination. Somewhere around 50 to 65, I want you people to end up. 30 to 50 easily, even if you prepare a night before the examination, you can score 30 to 50. If you put little bit effort, it will be somewhere around 50 to 65, guys. That's going to seriously help you people increasing the percentage. Okay. And coming to the programs also, all of you please take it as my personal request. All of you please go through these 5 programs. Now I will share because from your class, don't Manoj is not my relative or my neighbor or my friend, guys. I have saved only his number from your class, no CR also. So lab manual, some editing has to be done, header footer. As of now, I will be sharing the unedited format to Manoj. Or if anyone pings me personally, I will share to them only. Okay, because I don't have any other number. I have only Manoj number. I'll be sharing all the documents to him. It may be YouTube links or anything. Okay. So even the lab manual right now I'm going to share it to Manoj. He will in turn share to your groups. Guys, if anyone wants any of the documents, you can personally ping me, guys. At least the 5 programs what we have discussed in the course of time. You people just go through that one, prepare and try to understand the maximum level. So I will make some arrangements, guys, for you people to have a better understanding with respect to the lab also. Okay. Okay, guys, I think it's time up. Prepare well for the examinations. Stop. Enough is enough. At least take the thing seriously. There will be a lot of difference, guys, between you people getting 60 and 65 or 60 and 67 or 68. You people are not in the lower semesters. You people are in the higher semesters. So let us see how the things will proceed. Okay, guys, now I will give just 3 questions for the 4th assignment. You people take up that one and I will give the time till Friday. Just 3 questions. So not more than front and back 3 sheets. So take up that one. And one more assignment I will give.